Hello.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you. I'm
Nice to
Carla
meet you.
Nelson. I'm the homeowner. So
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And
Okay.
so, with respect to this, the lawn mowing, right? And do you do any bush trimming?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. I mean, that would be the main thing, is kind of just trimming back the bushes and
Trim
the
bushes.
lawn. This is the only lawn that's really small.
Yeah.
So does that all make sense in terms of what you?
Yeah. So trim all these?
Pardon?
Trim all these bushes?
Yeah, I mean, the orange tree, I'd leave it alone, but and you know, from time to time after the summer, sometimes the fronds get burned, and you know, later in the year, maybe some frond trimming, but mostly just to keep it from becoming like a tremendous jungle.
Yeah.
So that's mainly it. So.
Okay. Yeah. Through the app, we're not allowed to do like extra work.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So
Right.
so we have to like submit a quote
Okay.
for bush trimming.
Right, because I thought I did have the bush trimming in it. Because the front yard, all there are, there's no grass or
Yeah,
anything. So I thought that it was kind of trimming the bushes and mowing the lawn.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I think it's separate.
it is separate. Well, I thought I checked 2 boxes, but maybe I didn't.
Yeah, separate.
Okay. So even though I checked the 2 boxes, the price was just for the lot?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good to know then. Well, it's okay for right now, so I'll have to think about that for the next time.
Okay. Okay.
So you're just going to mow the lawn?
Yeah, just the lawn.
Okay.
Would that work?
Well, you know, I thought I was getting the bush trimming too, because it's not a huge job.
Yeah.
And I think I need to check back with your company about that. So.
Yeah.
But this is fine for now. Let's just do the lawn, and that'll be great.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. Thank you.